Hey guys, Pete here from Pete's Big Breaks. Got a nice little baseball mixer for you tonight. A little bit of chrome. Got 2 mega boxes of the Bowman chrome, and we have 4 of the blasters, the Topps chrome, all 2020. Should be a fun little break. I loved the Topps chrome. I haven't opened it in a little while. I think this is the last of the Topps chrome I have, so hopefully there's something cool in it. Couple disclaimers really quick. All your rookie cards will be sleeved. The bigger cards will be sleeved and top loaded right away. What else do we got for you tonight? If we have any retired players, they will go to the team in which the jersey they're wearing. Players will be on their current team. So if we find some Eros Arena by chance in a St. Louis uniform, he will still go to the Rays. What else do we got for you tonight? I'll try to do a hit parade at the end of the break. I try to do that. Sometimes I forget, so if we're getting close to the end, somebody shoot me a message and remind me. I'll go through a list here shortly of who's got which teams, and then we'll get this stuff cracking. First off, we got Alan F., you got the Diamondbacks and Braves. William S., the Orioles. Sean B., the Red Sox. Frederick L., the White Sox. Christopher M., you got the Cubs. Frederick L., you got the Reds. The Cleveland Indians were unsold. Thomas H., the Tigers. Matthew T., the Rockies. Jason D., the Astros and Royals. Alan F., you got the Dodgers. Michael D., the Angels. Nick P., the Marlins. Frederick L., you got the Brewers. Alan F., you got the Yankees. The Twins were unsold. Thomas H., the Mets. Amir A., you got the Athletics. Jeremy D., you got the Phillies. Pirates were unsold. Michael D., you got the Padres. Jason D., the Giants. Keith S., the Mariners. Michael D., you got the Cardinals. Christopher M., you got the Rays. Jason D., you got the Rangers. Francis M., you got the Blue Jays. And Jeremy D., you got the Nationals. So that's a list of who's got what. The unsold teams I will get, unless, which we know there's no multi-team or multi-team players in this. Say if there were, I don't know, let's do something weird and said a Josh Bell was on a Pirates card and a Phillies card by some stupid chance, and the Pirates were on the left. I would send that to the Phillies because the unsold team. And I got another stinking mosquito by me. 50 degrees here today, 35 yesterday. I just had another mosquito. How strange. Anyways, like Mike said, good luck everyone. We'll get this party started. Let's go. What do you think? The Chrome Blasters first. Save the Bowman Chrome for the end. Stack them all up. Give myself some space. They are still here, and this will be the first box. Feel free to comment, talk to me, makes the break go by nice and quick. Ask for players every once in a while. Ask and ye shall receive. It's happened before. Hopefully we can pull some cool stuff. Love this chrome. Kind of sad that this is the last of it. Top chrome. Boy, it's been a minute since I've opened this. I think this got the sepia refractors in it. There's your empty box. Well, I open up the sepia refractors at the end. I've pulled some pretty cool cards out of this stuff. I pulled a Bo Bichette reverse negative, not that, well, one of my early breaks. Hopefully we can do something weird like that again. Let me adjust my camera here, so I ain't got to hold the cards up so high. Alright, box number 1, pack number 1. Love the way this stuff rips. Comes out beautifully. First off, we got a Josh Hader. Next up, Max Kepler. And through all the stuff I've opened, I do not know which ones are the alternate photos. I know there's some photo variations. I'm not sure which they are. Here we got a Future Stars of Ramon Laureano. And the last card of the first pack, Trey Mancini. Hopefully we can hit some Roberts, some Arizonas, maybe some Dominguez once we get into that Bowman Chrome. Hopefully everybody gets something, right? It's always fun to hit something. Cody Bellinger. I will tell you guys if I do see a ding on the card, or if they're pretty clean, especially on the better cards, just so you guys know that they were that way before I top loaded them. Brandon Belt. There's a refractor. Aaron Nola. Looks like we got an autograph on our first pack. Let's see what we go. It's going to be a rookie. It's going to be a, looks like a Texas Rangers pitcher. It's going to be Jonathan Hernandez. Not bad. In the first couple packs, we pull an auto. These are not numbered, but they are neat. Out to them Rangers. Texas Rangers. Jason D. Nice hit. First card, or first box. Get him sleeved up and top loaded because, well, he's an autograph. Maybe not the biggest name in sports, but there he is. See if we can get my hands to work tonight. Happy Comfy, safe in the sleeve, and top loader. And that one does look clean. I don't see any issues, no blemishes with it yet. Had a pretty good look finding autographs in this stuff. Seems like every break I pull at least one or two. Here we got a Tony Gonsolin, rookie card, pitched in the World Series, not bad. Scott Kingery. 85 reprint of Shohei Ohtani. Neat looking card there for the Angels. And there's old Randy Arozarena. And I said this will go to the Tampa Bay Rays because it is their current team. Very nice card. Happy Comfy, safe in the sleeve, and we will top load this one because he was the hottest guy in baseball at the end of the season. I think he probably would have been a World Series MVP. Happy Comfy, safe in the sleeve, and top loader. Next up, we got Mauricio Dubon. Gold Cup, John Means. Refractor. Rookie card, Brendan McKay. And a Kevin Newman. Rookie card, Seth Brown, Michael Conforto, Prism Refractor, Rafael Devers, and Matt Olson. Yeah, that's what's going to be a pain in the rear end to open, it looks like. After I said how nice they open. Another nice rookie out to them Dodgers. Guerrero. Jose Urena. Nice 85 reprint of Pete Alonso. And Rafael Devers. Next up, this is our last regular pack of the first blaster. Rookie card of Nico Horner, out to them Cubs. Jose Ramirez. One of those die cut. Power speed number. Ricky Henderson. Retired, so he will go to the team in which his jersey is. The A's. Seen some of these that are numbered. This one is not. And our last card, the first regular cards, Freddie Freeman. First sepia pack. What do we got? We got an Albert Pujols. Neat looking card there. All these refractors will be sleeved as well. Got a Tyler Glass now. Pitched in the World Series as well. So we got a Carlos Santana. And the last of the first Cephas, Marcus Semien. That was the first box. Coming up on box number 2. Hopefully it's as good or better than box number 1. Box number 1 wasn't bad. I'd be more than happy with that, opening it up myself. But let's get some Lewis Roberts and some Kyle Lewis's and some Bo Bichette's and some Gavin Lux. Let's go. Alright, our next pack starts out with Ketel Marte, Walker Buehler, Future Stars, Michael Chavez, and rookie card, Brendan McKay. Pack number 2. Hanno Honti, starting out. Blake Snell. Upside down, generally a refractor. Rookie card of Andres Munoz, and that is a refractor. And a Corey Kluber. Quiet night tonight. Everybody tired from eating all the candy? That should perk you up. White Sox. First, Lewis Robert, base rookie. We'll get him sleeved and top loaded. Take a little clearer look at it and see if we can see anything going on with it. Looks pretty clean. Corners all look sharp. I like it. I'll take that. Happy comfy. Safe in a sleeve. And that's why we buy the White Sox. I myself am a White Sox fan. Have been since I was a kid. Nice to see we got a big boy player. There he is. Nice card, White Sox. Next up we got Chris Archer. 85 reprint, Christian Yelich. And a rookie card, Jose Urquidy. Yeah, we love to see those Lewis's, especially if we got them socks. You must have the socks there, Freddie. It's funny, the price comes down on the socks as the season goes through. The Robert cards came down a little bit, and the White Sox used to be an $80 spot, and they've come down a little bit, which is kind of nice. You can get them a little bit cheaper. Brock Burke, Jonathan Villar. You got a refractor of Jeff McNeil. Be cool to be able to pull a refractor of Lewis. I haven't pulled any of those yet. Elvis Andrews. I think the nicest refractor I pulled was a Kyle Lewis. Nice card. Next up we got another White Sox, Zach Collins. Patrick Corbin. Prism refractor of Dylan Cease, another White Sox rookie. Nice looking card there. And a David Peralta. White Sox not doing so bad in the second box for sure. Next up, Blue Jays. Rookie card, Anthony Kay. Trey Turner. 85 reprint of Austin Riley. And a Tommy Edman. What's next? What do we got? You got skunked your last break? Oh yeah, there's no doubt. If you can get one in the first couple packs, it makes your break right away. Makes you happy that you got them. AJ Puck, rookie card for the A's. Dan Vogelbach. Freshman Flash. Dustin Mayo to the Dodgers. And a Tim Anderson. I'm about to start up those Sepia cards. I can't remember who the nicest Sepia was I pulled. I don't know if it was a Gavin Lux. But right now, we got Mike Yastrzemski. A Trent Grisham, rookie card. It was nice to find a Sepia rookie. Jose Barrios. And John Lester. Move some cards around, give myself some space. Bear with me for a brief moment. Alright, and that's all the moments I need. Into box number 3. 1 was good. 2 was good. What's 3 gonna do? Something weird, maybe a color? Don't see a whole lot of color in this stuff. When you do, it's cool. The greens are numbered to 99. I think that's the lowest number I've found so far of all this stuff. There's your empty box. Alright, let's go. Box number 3. Got Alex Young. Manny Machado. Future stars, Will Smith, Dodgers. And a Nicky Lopez. Come on, big boy cards. We need at least 1 per box, just because. Got a Vlad Guerrero Jr., Gold Cup. Luis Castillo. Refractor, DJ LeMahieu. And a Paul Goldschmidt. Next up, we got Christian Yelich. Nelson Cruz. 85 reprint rookie, Nico Horner. And White Sox pitcher, Lucas Giolito. Next up, we got Anthony Rizzo. DJ LeMahieu. Refractor, D. Gordon. And Archie Bradley. Alright, it's been a fairly uneventful box so far. We got a few packs left. Where's our box hit? Might as well have a case hit while we're at it, right? Dylan Cease, rookie for the Sox. Kyle Seager, the Prism Refractor. Anthony Rizzo, Prism Refractor. And a George Springer. We having a little fun after this break, cracking up some mosaic football. Had some really good luck with that stuff. If you guys are interested in football, those breaks are ending, or those auctions are ending soon. I believe that breaks at 9:30. So if you guys are feeling spunky and just feel bored, jump on in. We got Nice and Diaz. There's a nice one. Beautiful card. Gavin Lux. I do believe this is a green rookie card. And this might be the image variation. I'm not really sure, but it is numbered 28 of 99. And it looks pristine. What a beautiful card that is. We'll get him sleeved up and top loaded as well. Matter of fact, you know what? That's a bigger card. I think I'm gonna throw that one in a magnetic. Nice to see those low number cards, especially with a good player like a Gavin Lux. There he is. Happy Compy. Safe, and his magnetic one touch. Who had them Dodges? I'm not really sure. My wife snagged my book with all my names in it. She's writing down for the next one. Got an 85 reprint of Nolan Arenado. And a JD Martinez. Yeah, that Gavin Lux is beautiful, man. I guess that's why we buy the Dodgers. Every once in a while you hit something really cool. And I love colors. It's so unusual to hit a color out of this stuff. I did hit a Gavin Lux. Matter of fact, it's kind of funny. I hit the 85 reprint of that Gavin Lux card, but obviously this one's a lot better than that one. Harold Ramirez. Liam Hendricks. A nice little bonus. Freshman Flash, Lewis Robert. Get him sleeved up. Mike, you got the Dodgers? Do you have them guys? I can't remember who had which team. There he is, Happy Compy. Safe in his sleep, top loader. Last card of the pack, we got an Aaron Nola. Austin Nola. My fault. And the Sepias. Eugenio Suarez. Albert Pujols. Jimmer Candelario. And Josh Hader. Well, each and every one of these first three boxes were really good. I don't know if there's anything we can do to improve on that. But we're going to try, I guess, right? I guess these last four boxes of Chrome I got were just waiting to be opened. Last box of the Topps Chrome. And there is your empty box. After this, we got two Bowman Chrome Megas. Hopefully we can find some Jason Dominguez. So everybody likes those Yankees. The Yankees went nuts last night, man. I broke 5 mega boxes with the Bowman Chrome. The Yankees went for $160. That was insane. The break before that, they went for $51. Here we got Mookie Betts. Nolan Arenado. Future stars out to them Yankees. Mike Tauschman. And John Segura. Nice to see that green card is clean too. I believe I would probably grade that. Might want to look at it under a magnifying glass, but I like it. It's good. Carlos Correa. These Topps Chrome and all the Chrome cards are tough to grade, but man, that one looked nice. Andrelton Simmons. Refractor. Speaking of nice little cards, Juan Soto. We're going to go ahead and sleeve him quick because it's kind of a nice card. Don't see a whole lot of good refractors. At least I haven't been lucky enough to find any monsters, but Soto's a good one. Happy Compy. Safe in his sleeve and refractor. Last card of the pack, Logan Webb, rookie card for the Giants. You wonder about guys buying to the breaks. Do you all watch them? Some people don't. They just want to see what they get in the mail. Got Bryce Harper, Phillies. German Marquez. 85 reprint of Rafael Devers. That's not a bad card there. Fernando Tatis Jr. Gold Cup. Tatis is definitely worth sleeving. Kind of wants to fight me tonight. But we got him in there. Happy Comfy. Safe in the sleep. Alright, still waiting for our big one. Big one of the box. We got Willie Adams. Rowdy Tellez. Zach Gallen. Is that? That is Refractor. Rookie card. And Aaron Savali. Up to them engines. Next pack. Waiting on that big card. Where's our... You know what I'm thinking? That Gavin Lux could be a case hit on this stuff. So like I said, I've only seen a couple of greens out of all the stuff I've broke. Look at that Adalberto Mondesi. Stolen Base Beast. Dansby Swanson. Get a Nicky Lopez Prism Refractor. And Max Scherzer. Alright, couple packs left. Where's our big boy? Had a lot of good luck the first 3 boxes. Might as well continue it. And go for 4 for 4. Hit for the cycle. You got Victor Reyes. Oh, there's a nice one. Another big hit. Not a huge name, but there is Adalberto Mondesi. And that is a reverse negative. These are not numbered, but they are neat looking cards. Very pretty. We'll get him sleeved up and top loaded as well, because these are another difficult card to pull. So pull the green and reverse negative and an autograph out of these so far. I guess that's our big hit for the box. One big hit in each one so far. See if that continues through the Bowman Chrome. There he is. Happy Comfy. Safe in his sleeve and top loader. Next up we got an Aquino 85 reprint. And a Jesus Luzardo base rookie. Get him sleeved up. He was in the rookie of the year talks for a minute. Happy Comfy. Safe in his sleeve. Well, at least the last couple packs brings us to Paul DeJean. See a die cut coming up. Yuan Moncada. You got a die cut. Hank Aaron. Not numbered. Got a D. Gordon. Coming up on that last pack of Chrome. This should be our Sepia pack. So we can find something neat in the Sepia pack. I don't know. I think we already got our box hit with that reverse negative. Got Chris Bryant. Aaron Judge. It's a nice looking card. Xander Bogaerts. Another nice one. Ronald Acuna Jr. And that is it for the Topps Chrome. We'll get into those 2 megas of the Bowman Chrome here in just a second. Let me get myself some space again. See what we can do with those. Tell you what, that was a great Topps Chrome break. Let's continue on. See if we can hit some monsters. If you guys haven't cracked open any of this Bowman Chrome yet, you got 5 regular packs. Those, I haven't seen any colors in those yet. I don't think there's any color in it. But then you have 2 bonus packs of the, I don't know, they're kind of like a Mojo Refractor, and that's where you'll find your colors if there are any, and autos. So basically just in these you'll see a lot of base rookies, generally speaking. And there is your, it's hard to see, but that is an empty box. So these are your Mojo packs, and these ones here will be your base ones. We get to the base ones first. Hopefully we hit something nice. Broke 5 boxes of this last night and didn't hit one Jason Dominguez. And this is these are boxes out of the same case, so maybe we'll hit something cool. Good Aaron Judge. Xander Bogaerts. Well, there we go. First pack. Luis Robert. Getting a little bit of love. Ready? First box, first pack out of both products. No skunk tonight. Happy Comfy, safe in his sleeve. And top loader. Very nice card. Continuing on, we get an Abraham Toro. He's going to get sleeved too because he's one of those guys. I'll sleeve up a lot of these Bowman Chrome guys. See a lot of good rookies in this. Happy Comfy, safe in the sleeve. And the last card, Wohanti. Yeah, I'm not going to complain. Every one of these boxes we've opened so far, I've had something decent. Hopefully it's find something even bigger than that, Robert. Salvador Perez. Christian Yelich. Marcus Semien. And rookie card, Jordan Yamamoto. Another rookie, Tony Gonsolin. All those rookies will be sleeved. Like I said, we're just, for time purposes, we're putting them aside for now. We're sleeving the monsters and the bigger guys. I want to make you guys hang around all night. We got a Keston Hiura. Pete Alonso. Rookie card, Mauricio Dubon, out to the Giants. Another rookie, Anthony Kay, Blue Jays. And an Aquino rookie, out to them Reds. Get him sleeved up. Happy Comfy, safe in the sleeve. Well, that tore much too easy. Ripped the whole back of the pack off. There we are. Next up we got Evan Longoria. Austin Meadows. Anthony Rizzo. Rookie of Brendan McKay. Another Dodgers pitcher rookie. Bruce Graterol, or Bruce Dar Graterol. Last of our base packs of the first box, we got Yadier Molina. Hyunjin Ryu. Oh, there's a nice one. I always like to see these guys. Kyle Lewis, out to the Mariners. I'll take that. Kind of a nice box so far. Kyle Lewis and a Luis Robert in the same box. Yes, please. Happy Comfy, safe in a sleeve, and top loader. Next up, we got a Trey Mancini and a Dan Vogelbach. Let's see what these Mojo packs will give us. See if we can improve. So if we're gonna have something here. I feel like we're gonna have a color or an auto. Something weird. Seems as much as I've opened so far, colors come about one every other box. Geraldo Perdomo. Got a Brandon Marsh. Oh boy. I think that might be a pink. I was hoping it was going to be a rose gold, but I think it's just a pink, but pinks are still nice. We'll take colors. Dylan Carlson. Luis Garcia. Brandon Marsh, and let's sneak up on him. Oh, it's upside down. We got an ace, Oakland Athletics. Does not appear to be a rookie, but I think all these are. It is, sure enough. Dalton Jeffries, numbered to 199. Welcome Athletics. Pretty card. I was hoping for rose gold, but I'll take pink. Pink's better than blue and purple. Happy Comfy. Safe in the sleeve. And the top loader. These are a little bit heavier. They're on a little bit thicker cardstock, so they don't love to fit in these top loaders, but with a little bit of love, you can get them in there. Happy Comfy, safe in his sleeve, and top loader. I love colors. Next up, we got a Tyler Stevenson. Still waiting on Jason. Got a Blake Rutherford. Upside down. Donna Glory. Jordan Blazovic. Got a Jackson Cower. And a Mickey Moniak. That was it for box number 1. Some nice color in there. Some nice Lewis Robert, and a good Kyle Lewis. Got a Keno out of there. Something good so far out of every box in this break. I like it. I wish every break would go this way, but I also wish every break, everybody in it. Good cards, and that is your empty box. Looks like the Mojo packs are kind of separated in this one. That's kind of unusual. Usually they're right together. Mike Trout. Let's see if we can get a Mike Trout. Come on, Michael. Well, we got a Gavin Lux. To them Dodgers. Right city. Wrong team. Get him sleeved up and top loaded because it's, well, Gavin Lux, right? He doesn't belong in a magnetic, but we'll get him in a top loader. Nice card off the Dodgers. Get Matthew Boyd. Isan Diaz. Ketel Marte. Seen a lot of him tonight. And Logan Allen. Let's see if your ask works, Mike. A lot of times it does. Got a Dylan Cease, rookie card, White Sox. Eddie Rosario. Rhys Hoskins. Tim Anderson. And Yoshi Susugo. Let's go fishing. Let's find a trout. Alex Young. Joey Votto. Aaron Judge. Jorge Alfaro. And a Michael Baez. Rookie card for the Padres. 2 more of these regular packs. Got a Salvador Perez. Xander Bogaerts. That'll go in a sleeved pile. Fernando Tatis Jr. Seth Brown. And Isan Diaz. So if we're going to be trout fishing, it's got to be either in this one. Well, it's certainly not going to be in the Mojo packs, I don't think. Come on, Mike. Jump on board. Christian Yelich. Justin Verlander. Vladimir Guerrero Jr. Paul Goldschmidt. And Ketel Marte. That's it for the base packs. These last 2 Mojo packs. Let's hit a monster. Let's hit a Jason. I haven't seen one in 5 boxes. It's time. Got a Casey Mize. Andres Jimenez. That is another autograph. We're going to set the rest of this pack aside for a second, so It's probably going to be the better one of the two. See what kind of autograph that is here in a second. Hopefully it's somebody big. Here we got a Brendan Malone, Louis Campusano, Dawn of Glory, Ladolo. Oh, that's a nice one. We'll take that. Bobby Witt Jr. Mojo Refractor. Yes, please. Didn't hit any of him last night either. Very, very nice card. Lots of them Royales, and that does look pretty clean. Happy Comfy, Safe in his Sleeve, and Top Loader. Let's find out who that auto is. Got Francisco Alvarez, Yusniel Diaz, Mike Sinai, Andres Jimenez. This one gonna be upside down too. Yep. It is a position player. It's an outfielder. It's gonna be Tampa Bay Rays. And it's gonna be a Nico Hulsizer. Have a name I haven't heard yet. Hopefully he's somebody. Still a nice card out to them Rays. Nico Hulsizer autograph. Get him sleeved up and top loaded. We'll go through this quick little hit parade. A lot of nice stuff tonight. I think the card I was most excited about was that Gavin Lux green out of Topps Chrome. Alright, there. Move some stuff around, go through this quick little hit parade. Hope you all had a good time tonight. I always do. Love rip and wax. Do it every night if I could. But I do have to work occasionally. Alright, here is our little hit parade. If you guys enjoyed spending time with me tonight, jump on, like my Facebook page, follow it. You'll be the first ones to know when the breaks are about to happen. And oftentimes I will do a bonus, and you guys will be made aware of that as well. First up, we got an Aquino rookie, base. Toro, base. We got a Jesus Luzardo, base rookie. We got the Fernando Tatis, Gold Cup. We got the Juan Soto, refractor. That's it for the lower end of the spectrum. Get up to the next level. We got the Nico Hulsizer, auto. Got the Bobby Witt Jr., Mojo refractor. It's actually a really nice card. Got a Gavin Lux, base. We got a Dalton Jeffries, pink, Mojo refractor. Number 2, I believe 150 or 199. I'm sorry, that's a 199. We got the Kyle Lewis, base. Got the Lewis Robert, base. We got the reverse negative of Adalberto Mondesi. Kind of hard to see. Got the freshman flash, Lewis Robert. Got the base rookie, Lewis Robert. That would be out of the Topps Chrome. We got the Randy Arozarena. That is going to be a Rays card, so you guys are aware. And we got the Jonathan Hernandez autograph. And our biggest card of the break, I would say, is going to be this nice green Gavin Lux, Topps Chrome, number 2, 99, number 28 of 99. And that'll be it for this break, ladies and gentlemen. Hope to see you guys back again real soon. Hope I'm not breaking anything again until, I believe, Tuesday. We'll be breaking Tuesday. It will be a great night. It's going to be Mosaic Tuesday. I got some Mosaic football and some Mosaic basketball. It's going to be an awesome night. Hope you guys can all join me. Look for my breaks on eBay. They will be the ones with the yellow backgrounds. I appreciate you showing up, Mike. Hope you hit something. On that note, if you guys feel like you're bored, around 9:30 tonight, I'll be breaking up some Mosaic football. Feel free to jump on and watch. On that note, good night, guys. Thanks again.